In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create skewed text in Figma. Skewed text can add a dynamic and artistic touch to your designs, making your headlines or graphic elements truly stand out. It's a fantastic way to introduce a sense of motion or a unique visual style that can really grab attention. We'll be using a very helpful plugin within Figma to achieve this effect quickly and efficiently. To begin, you'll first need to have some text selected on your Figma canvas. Make sure you have your desired font and text content ready. Once your text layer is prepared, the very first step is to navigate to the Plugins menu. You can typically find this by right-clicking anywhere on your canvas, or by going to the main menu icon in the top left corner of Figma, hovering over Plugins, and then searching through your installed plugins or browsing for new ones. Within the plugins list, you'll want to select a specific plugin called Skewat. If you don't already have it installed, Figma will usually prompt you to install it directly from the community, which is a quick and straightforward process. This plugin is incredibly useful because it provides intuitive controls for transforming text and other layers, making complex visual adjustments much simpler than trying to manipulate them manually. Selecting Skewat will open a small, dedicated window, presenting you with the specific tools we need to start skewing your text. Once the Skewat plugin window is open and your text layer is still selected, you'll immediately see controls for both horizontal and vertical skew. This is where you'll make the adjustments to achieve your desired effect. The horizontal skew, as its name suggests, will lean or tilt your text either to the left or to the right, creating a sense of forward or backward motion. You can visualize this as pushing the top of the text in one direction while the bottom remains relatively in place. The vertical skew, on the other hand, will tilt your text upwards or downwards, giving it a slanted appearance along its vertical axis, like it's falling backward or forward on its side. You'll typically find sliders or input fields that allow you to precisely adjust the degree of skew. As you drag these sliders or input specific numerical values, you'll immediately see the changes reflected live on your selected text layer in real time. This instant visual feedback is incredibly helpful, allowing you to experiment freely and fine-tune the effect until it perfectly matches your design vision. Don't be afraid to play around with both horizontal and vertical values simultaneously to achieve more complex and dramatic angled effects. For instance, a subtle horizontal skew can create a gentle italics effect, while a more pronounced combination of both can make text appear to be rapidly speeding past or dramatically angled. Remember that the ultimate goal is to enhance your design, so always consider how the skewed text integrates with the overall aesthetic and message of your project. And that's it. With these two simple and intuitive steps, you can transform ordinary text into dynamic, eye-catching skewed elements within your Figma designs. This technique is fantastic for creating striking headlines, unique logo types, or adding a dynamic flair to any graphic composition. Experiment with different fonts, sizes, and skew values to discover a wide range of creative possibilities. We hope this tutorial helps you elevate your design game in Figma and encourages you to explore more creative text treatments.